Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Before we get started, I'd like you to go down, click subscribe. That way you get notified of any videos that we put up, stuff like that. All the good stuff. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to refurb a chair. And not just any chair. This is a chair my wife picked up at a yard sale. It's pretty old, but she wants to use this chair at her desk and get rid of the chair that she's got. So what we're going to do to this, we're going to scuff it down, we're going to reupholster the top. Other than that, the chair's in, well, pretty damn good condition. So there's not really a whole lot to do to it. But in case you want to know how to do this and our process, this is what we're going to do. So without further ado, on with the video. Okay, guys, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the seat off of the chair. And to do that, well, we've got to get down in here, and wouldn't you know it, it would have the good old-fashioned flathead screws, which are usually a pain in the butt to get out, but these seem to be coming out pretty good. I think that's why they're pretty good. Alright. Now the top's off. The only thing we got holding it was just some of the stuff. But this is going to be a pretty straightforward. I mean, it looks like somebody's already recovered it once before, because it looks like we have some black vinyl slash fake leather, whatever you want to call it. So once my wife gets done with this, it'll have a whole new top on it, and we'll be ready to go. Okay, now we're back. We've got the top off. My wife has it, and she's going to reupholster it. I don't know when, but she's going to reupholster it. So now all we have to do with this, she wants to paint it white to go with the desk. So all we're going to do is just give it a scuff coat. It doesn't have to be, you know, sanded all the finish off or anything like that. Actually, when you sand off all the finish, that's when you get a lot of the bleed through from the stain. So we're just going to scuff it down just to give the paint something to bite to. Alright, so here we go. Alright, now we're back. This is my wife. Say hi, wife. Okay, now she's going to cover the seat of the chair, and well, we're going to watch. And this is one of the very few times that I get the video and I don't have to do a damn thing. So on with the video. Now after we're done, we'll go back and we'll trim off all the excess, and you won't see hardly any of the overhang, which you won't see it anyway because it's going to be under the chair. Alright. And that's the pattern. Okay guys, now that we've got it all stapled down, my wife's just going back, she's trimming up the edges. And final product is right there. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Okay, now my wife has painted the chair. It's all white. We're over here in her garage. Let me move it around a little bit. We'll go around it. Looks pretty good. She's already got the seat done, recovered, so all we're going to do is put the seat on and it should be done. Okay, out with the old. This is our old desk chair, and in with the new, all recovered painted white and ready to go in the disc. Let's move this one out of the way here. And it's a perfect fit. Thanks guys, and as always, subscribe to the channel for more great videos from Backyard Customs.